morning, Kuya E. Good morning, AIM Global. Good morning.
Okay.
Ako po si Nestor Guevara. I'm from Angeles City, Pampanga. I'm 49 years old. Isa po akong dating empleyado ng San Miguel Corporation sa San Fernando, Pampanga. Nagtrabaho po ako doon for 10 years.
Okay.
Then, nung nag-offer po ng early retirement plan yung San Miguel, I grabbed the opportunity kasi 200%. After San Miguel, nakakuha po ako ng separation pay ko. I was involved into construction financing kasi may mga kaibigan po tayong mga contractors. Medyo nakikideal, nakikiamot sa konting kitaan. And nalaman ko rin po yung all about buy and sell because mahilig po ako sa sasakyan, lalo na yung mga 4x4. It just so happened, my parents and my sisters are in Japan. So, nagpapauwi po ako ng mga 4x4 vehicle. Nung pong nagsisimula ako, kasi dahil wala akong alam sa negosyo ito, at to be honest, gusto ko nang mag-quit. Ang sabi ko sa sarili ko, I sit down and ask myself, anong kulang? That was the time po na binugbog ko yung sarili ko sa training and seminar dito sa head office natin. Naisip kong mag-quit kasi nagpapakapagod ako, wala namang nangyayari. Invite ako ng invite, wala naman sumasama. Even the products, mas gustuin pa nilang sample muna. Pag nasubukan namin at okay, doon kami bibili. So sabi ko, this is no joke. Hindi nakakatuwa ito. There was a time na pinuntahan ko yung kaibigan ko na binebentahan ko ng mga 4x4. Then all of a sudden, kumakatok ako, ang binebenta ko food supplement. Nagulat siya. Itong mga produkto natin. Kaya ko pinuntahan, alam ko, there's something wrong with his health. Ang sabi ko, pare, kahit gaano ka man ka-successful sa negosyo mo, kung health impaired ka, wala rin. You're wealthy but you're not healthy. Pero sabi niya, hindi ka naman doktor. Ang pinaniniwalaan ko, sabi niya, Brad, I'm sorry. Pero ang tinitake ko lang yung sinasabi ng doktor ko. And hindi rin siya naniwala. Well, ang naitulong po ng AIM Global sa akin, unang-una yung attitude ko, my perspective in life, and bottom line yung income.
Okay.
Totoo, from a businessman to a networker, malaki yung difference. Nung ginawa ko na ng tama ang AIM Global, that was the time na hindi ko na napigil yung resulta kasi I was already doing the business right. And part of my success at resulta po sa AIM Global, I was able to buy just recently isang maliit na farm sa Magalang, Pampanga.
Wow.
And kararating lang ng kapatid ko from Japan, I bought her property sa may Porac, Pampanga kasi ang kailangan ko po talaga, it's not a residential. It's a space, a farm, and a garage for my collection. And good thing, nung nalaman ko yung C24, lahat ng ginu-juicer ko at bine-blender ko, halos
nandito na lahat.
So sabi ko, I think this is it. Unti-unti, tinanggal ko po, binawasan ko yung mga ginu-juicer ko, yung mga pre-processed food ko. And right now, I'm happy to say, I'm just using C24 as part of my supplement. And I stay away from food na alam kong hindi makakatulong sa akin.
Kamusta na ang health niyo ngayon?
Right now po, sabi ko nga sa inyo, kung ano yung si Nestor nung nagka-cancer, until now, kung ano yung ginagawa niya, yung mga outdoor activities ko, until now, I'm still doing it.
Because of
our products. And our products are really very good. As I can proudly say, because of AIM Global products, because of AIM Global, nadugtungan po, na-prolong, nagkaroon ng extension ang buhay ni Nestor Guevara. My group, Dream Catchers International, I can describe my group purely dreamers with resolve. Angels Alliance, this group, they really transform people. IBA, overwhelming. They're very inspiring. United Empire Alliance, ito po yung mga tao o grupong tinitingala namin because of their success. AIM Global, super. Nandito na po lahat. Sana po, Kuya E, yung suporta nyo sa amin will be parang wala nang katapusan. Although alam ko, nandiyan na kayo sa pedestal. You are already successful. Kayo na po yung tinitingala namin. But talaga, Kuya E, we are very thankful because you will not bother to go down from there, going down to us just to support us. Ang gusto ko pong pasalamatan, Kuya E, first, yung upline ko po, Anton Montoya, yung pong ever supportive kong mga downlines, Up Mark, Up Michelle, Up Ryan Recalde, Kuya E, syempre, ang ating pong mga speakers bureau, ang ating pong mga training team, ang ating mga company owners, Sir John Aspirin, Sir Francis Miguel, Doc Ed Cabantog, and Doktora Connie Cabantog po. Thank you po. Ang advice ko po sa mga taong ngayon na nakakaranas ng hirap, rejection, tuloy-tuloy nyo lang po yan. Sabi nga ng mga speakers natin, mga trainers natin, ituloy-tuloy nyo lang yan. Kasi at the end of the road, pag tinuloy-tuloy nyo yan, you will cross the finish line and you will be successful like us.